Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to give you our yard tour. We have a lot of stuff out here, camper behind us, a lot of stuff in front of us. We've never done this. I have done that on his channel way back, like way back, and on a go-kart. And so, just give you all the yard tour.
Let's go.
We got a camper right here, a ladder, we got a lot of stuff. We got the door right there.
Door.
The door, and we got a side door right here. Everything is locked.
Yep. I see the dogs over there playing. Skylar, come here.
Can I climb on top of it?
Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing?
You want me to climb on the camera and see me that you want to video me on the camper?
Do you want me to video you on the camera?
On the top.
Well, what's the rule?
No, going up there, but just for video, just for video.
Okay, just let's do it for the likes. So right now, Easton's breaking the rules and he's climbing up the ladder on the camper.
Just for the views.
Okay, that's good enough.
Here I am. All the way over there. The worst thing is you can't get down. Okay. Get down. Stop going.
That would be good.
The last part you have to like take a big jump. Okay. Next we got the chickens. Let me give you a good chase of them.
Hey, don't chase them. Just how about you tell them their names?
So we got Lucy, River.
Which one's River?
River's the rooster. We used to have a lot more, but a lot of them passed away.
Yep.
Now,
We're gonna go get some. We're gonna buy some more at the flea market.
I'm gonna give you a good tour of the lawnmower, a good startup. I started up yesterday. The thing is, it doesn't sound that good. Well, the battery ran out because of me. I kept the lights on. I was driving it and playing around on it, and the lights were on. So now let's see if it starts again.
I didn't get up here. Easton's sitting in the seat and there's water in it. He got his bottom all wet.
You know, before you ever get on lawnmowers, just check for the seat to be wet. Okay, now let's start.
Have you ever started a lawnmower before?
Yeah, I have actually.
Okay, then you got to sit in the seat to start it.
I'm fine if I sit this way. I'm gonna.
And you got to put your foot on the brake.
Oh my gosh! Wait, you gotta.
All right, how about we switch places and let me do it real quick.
He's trying to start it. There we go. Let's do it. Yeah. Well, can I drive it? Videoing?
Yeah.
Videoing?
Put it down in gear.
Here. Which one's here?
Put it forward. There you go. What number is it on?
3.
All right, that's good. You ready?
Yep.
What are you doing, Gabby? What are you doing, Gabby? Gabby, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
John Deere engine. So we're about to show you the chicken coop. My butt's all wet from that.
We're gonna show them the what?
Oh wait, I already said the chicken coop. I mean the tornado shelter.
Yeah, we're gonna show you all the tornado shelter.
And if you don't know what a tornado shelter is about,
It's tornado shelter. I've heard it called bunker a lot here lately.
And the thing is,
a wolf spider, or a black widow. So this is our tornado shelter, tornado bunker. We had it put in a few years ago. We've gotten into, how many times have we gotten in there, Easton?
about 2 times.
Yeah.
1 or 2. Because we were gonna get in it, but the thing is the hail was going down. We couldn't get in it in time.
Yeah.
So, do you want a video or?
So this is the outside of it. We still need to do some kind of like trim around the outside, or like kind of like finish it out. We got to figure that out.
It's pretty ugly on the outside.
Yeah.
And as you can see when you walk in, it's pretty small. And what is this? Okay. Yeah. There's spider webs all for me. As you see right here, we got nice chairs. Okay. Spider webs get all over me. We got this. Look it.
It's our kind of survival kit.
Are you serious? So first we got.
We don't have to go through all of it. We just have some survival stuff in there.
Bag.
First aid kit.
Bag. And bag.
All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching this quick video. Y'all leave in the comments what all kind of supplies y'all have in your storm shelter. We need to get a little bit better prepared down here. Probably get some water and add to our first aid kit, and maybe some food. So y'all let us know what y'all do.
And also make sure to subscribe down below. Leave a comment. Do you like this or not? Hit the notification button. Give a subscribe, and have a great evening, night, whatever time you're watching.
Thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace.